Hi, I'm Nicholas from MasterChef Singapore. Today I'm going to use Thermomix TM6 to do high temperature cooking. Okay, let's try using high temperature at 160 degrees to cook my favorite vegetable, eggplant. So I'm going to press start cooking. Well, simply say 20 grams of olive oil. Yep, you see, so precise, 20 grams. Okay, now we go to the next one. Boil my 300 grams of favorite eggplant. Okay, put the lid cover on top, the splash lid, and then that's done. Now we're going to start cooking. Oh, it's done. Alright, going to see the result of this, my favorite eggplant dish. Okay, the smell is amazing. The eggplant is very beautiful. Okay, let's do the plating right now.